Welcome to your Saga Oasis. 4 reasons you hesitate in love. We often hear a lot about healing in relationships. Those who have been hurt by love know that this process cannot be rushed. It requires time. When we face failures in love, the first thing we might think of is to fix the relationship or look for a replacement, without realizing that the most important thing at this moment is to explore and improve ourselves from within. Therefore, through today's video, we hope you will find a part of yourself in it and receive the most useful suggestions to improve your spirit and life. Whether to continue a relationship or break up. A love and marriage psychologist shares that a question she often receives from clients is, should I continue the relationship or break up? The truth is, being in a relationship doesn't guarantee happiness for everyone. Some single people live happily and contentedly, while conversely, some people with partners or spouses feel deeply unhappy. A relationship truly matters when you are loved and love others in the way you desire. However, sometimes we have to face the reality that we have loved someone who is not right for us. Leaving can be a difficult decision because we fear wasting the time we've invested in each other and worry about not finding someone better. Perhaps that person isn't necessarily bad. They just aren't compatible with you. If you choose to stay, you always feel like something is missing. So in the end, you know whether you should continue or leave. Four reasons why you always hesitate. The first reason is due to emotional conflicts. When you're facing an important decision regarding your romantic relationship, you might be going through an intense inner struggle, causing conflicts in your emotions. On one hand, you may still deeply love the other person, but on the other hand, you feel hurt because they aren't reciprocating your feelings as you hoped. This might stem from a lack of information or misunderstandings about your partner. This conflict makes your decision more difficult. If you're experiencing these feelings, ask yourself, is being with your partner more important, or are your own emotions more important? The second reason you might hesitate to make a decision is fear of the consequences. Deciding to end a relationship can have significant impact if you are completely dependent on your partner, not just emotionally, but also financially, and even in terms of physical and mental health. This means that if you lose that person, your currently stable life could change for the worse. The third reason is a lack of confidence or fear of responsibility. Even though it's clearly your life and your relationship, and you have every right to make decisions about it, you might be afraid to face your responsibilities. This means you are only happy when everything is smooth. But if anything goes wrong, you tend to blame the situation or your partner. If you find yourself thinking this way, stop immediately. And the final reason making it difficult to make a decision could be external pressure. For example, you might be facing pressure from family, friends, or society. You have to decide whether to marry this person, whether to give someone else a chance, whether to demand something, whether to control or trust. These pressures can leave you feeling uncertain and unable to make a decision based on your true desires. When you're in love, do you need a break? If the relationship starts to become dull, take some time off. This isn't a bad thing. It can actually be positive for the relationship. The truth is, To maintain strong feelings of excitement and longing for each other, a relationship needs to ensure both parties have some freedom. When someone invests too much of their mind into love, they often feel drained in other aspects of their life. At this point, they need time to step back and recharge to achieve balance. So being in love doesn't necessarily mean spending 24 hours a day, 7 days a week together. Instead, you can freely hang out with friends, enjoy your personal hobbies, or even just not see each other for a few weeks. This break can be a necessary time to recharge for both of you. However, the decision to take a break should be mutually agreed upon and, importantly, not made during an argument. At such times, both parties are stressed, and suggesting a temporary separation might hurt the other person, making them feel abandoned. Instead, make this decision when both of you are calm and happy. During the time apart, you may realize that life without your partner feels dull, rather than choosing to separate when you're angry, which might make life without them seem more comfortable. Do you understand this principle? Five factors to consider before deciding to stay in love or break up. First, let's talk about the element of time. Sometimes, making a decision becomes easier when you have enough time to think and reflect. Therefore, create a peaceful period for both you and your partner. When the pressure is off, you can focus on thinking about the true nature of your relationship. The second factor is emotions. At this point, you need to ask yourself if you feel happy and satisfied in this relationship. Of course, every relationship has its own difficulties and ups and downs, which is completely normal. However, if you frequently feel stressed, unhappy, or unsafe, it might be a sign that you need to end the relationship. The third factor to consider is the future of the relationship. Ask yourself whether this relationship has the potential to grow and improve, and whether it aligns with your personal goals and values. Is this the right path for you, or is it time for you to go in a different direction where your partner cannot accompany you, or vice versa? This is an important factor to consider when deciding whether to continue or end the relationship. And the final factor we want you to consider is your mental health. Prioritize it and always put it first. I understand that ending a relationship can be a difficult decision, but if it makes you feel freer and happier, sometimes it's the right choice. Deciding whether to continue or end a relationship is a complex process that depends on each specific situation. It's not as simple as just listening to and following advice from others. Therefore, you must understand that the final decision is yours. Only when you are willing to take responsibility for your decision can you truly grow. And as you grow, you will feel more confident in yourself and live life according to your true desires. We hope today's video serves as a useful reference for you. Wishing you clarity and wisdom in all your future decisions. It's the end of the video. Thank you for joining us today. And don't miss out on more videos from us by subscribing and turning on the notification bell icon.